We are also following breaking news out of Leon County. A judge has ruled that Amendment 3 cannot appear on the November ballot as it's written now. And thanks for joining us this afternoon. I'm Meredith McDonough.
And I'm Alan Campbell. So the judge ordered Florida's Attorney General to rewrite the proposal to slash homestead property taxes. This afternoon, West 2 investigative reporter Justin Shecker spoke to one of the plaintiffs who challenged the ballot language. He joins us live here in the studio. So Justin, right now you're actually still going through that ruling.
That's right, Alan. I'm still reading through the 18-page ruling, but the bottom line is the judge says the ballot language for Amendment 3 is defective and it misleads Florida voters. He compared the title, Save Our Homes from Excessive Property Taxes, to a political slogan that is not fair or neutral. The Leon County judge's order blocks Secretary of State Corey Byrd from placing the current version of Amendment 3 on the November ballot. The Republican-controlled legislature approved the measure during a special session in June. This proposal would increase the homestead exemption for non-school property taxes to $250,000 in 2 years. Opponents argue cities and counties will be forced to raise other taxes or they need to cut funding for local services. Just yesterday, the Florida Sheriff's Association expressed concern that if passed, this could potentially create longer law enforcement response times. Former state senator Jeff Brandes is a plaintiff for one of the 3 lawsuits that challenged the wording of Amendment 3.
This is a huge win for all Floridians that want to preserve the integrity of the ballot and ensure that the language is fair and accurate and neutral. What the court said here was followed, frankly, decades of precedent from a variety of previous court rulings on constitutional amendments and found that this language was defective.
In his picking apart the ballot language, Judge David Frank writes, by substantially reducing the local property tax base, the proposed amendment is likely to decrease the revenues available to local governments to fund core services. The amendment cannot fairly or accurately be described as ensuring funding. Now, I have reached out to Attorney General James Uthmire's office for comment. We're working to find out if the state intends to keep this legal battle going with an appeal, or will the AG draft the replacement language for Amendment 3 by the judge's deadline in 10 days. Alan, back to you.